step behind the line. We're in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 5 begins with all of our robots in motion as Team 9094 places that cone onto that upper node. As Team 341, that's Miss Daisy, our hometown heroes, balancing on that charge station. As our drivers step forward to take those controls, Team 1403, that's Robotics, scoring that cone onto that upper outer grid. As Team 341 is Daisy grabbing that cone as well, looking to do the same in that co-op grid. Heading back to the blue line side of the field, Team 9094, that's the Earthquakers, placing that cube up into that upper node as Team 5740 placing that cone onto the upper grid. As Team 1676, the Pascack Pioneers, placing that cube onto that hybrid node. And 9094 doing the same, again placing that cone into that upper grid. Heading back towards our red alliance side of the field, we're going to see Team 433 with the cutest spot I've ever seen, working on grabbing that cube off of the floor in front of their charge station. As Team 341 looking to head up over that charge station as well. 1403, that's Robotics placing a cube onto that middle outer node as Team 341 places that cone onto the upper co-op grid, completing that link. Our blue alliance has that entire top level of their grid filled, working on filling more nodes with those game elements. As Team 5740 working on pushing that cone into the hybrid node. Team 9094, that's the Earthquakers, one of our rookie teams from this previous competition season, working on getting over that charge station with that unit into the hybrid node. With just about 40 seconds remaining, 433 looking like they're already lining up to balance on that charge station. As Team 341, Miss Daisy working on grabbing that cone off of the floor. As Team 1403, that's Robotics, placing that cone onto that grid. As that will complete their third link. Team 433 is now working on climbing onto that charge station. 1403 on our red alliance side. Over on blue, Team 5740 and 9094 have balanced that charge station. As 1676 working on the last one, and they do. Our red alliance does balance with 2 of those robots here as we end our match.